I want to back it up. I want to go back to you're working at Disney. You got a great job. You're crushing in the corporate game. Why start a podcast at that time? Why would you get started?
Well, you know what? Broadcasting was always my passion. I actually was in the radio industry back in college. I was working at Hot 97 and I worked there for free for 3 years. And I actually dropped out of school to take that opportunity. I ended up going back, but I've had lots of different, radio shows and things in the past. Like I said, I worked at Hot 97. I used to do their commercials, run their Dillette boards. And then I had online radio shows with a lot of DJs on the side. So I would host these like hip hop music shows where I would interview celebrities and, have my friends co-host with me. And, I was on alistradio.net, Bottom Music, DTF Radio. I was on all these different stations back in the day and hosting all these different like hip hop shows. And then I had the idea to start Young and Profiting Podcast. I was actually working at Hewlett Packard. It was my 4th year working there. At the time, I had taken a 4-year break from the entertainment industry because I had almost gotten a show on MTV and MTV pulled the plug. I was devastated and I was like, forget entertainment. Enough is enough. I tried to do it. I didn't make it in radio. I didn't make it for TV. Like I'm never going to make it. And let me get a normal job, right? 4 years into my corporate career, I was like, you know what? I've got a lot to share now. Like I was making 6 figures. I went from being a broke entrepreneur to being a very successful person in corporate. And I had all this radio background and I was like, how do I put all these passions together? How do I put the broadcasting and the business and my passion to kind of help others and lead others and do one thing? And so I started Young and Profiting Podcast. It was my first solo show. It was my first podcast. It was maybe my 5th or 6th actual show though. Like I had a lot of experience and this is the one that turned out to be a quote unquote overnight success.
Right. Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media.